guys, welcome back to the Saurabh Designs YouTube channel. In today's quick tutorial episode number 4, I am going to show you how to create a text portrait effect in Photoshop step by step. First, choose the image and drag it into the Photoshop. Duplicate the image layer, hide the duplicate layer, then select image layer. And now select marquee tool and create a rectangle over here. Then go to layers again and create solid color adjustment layer. Select the color and click OK. Now unhide the duplicated layer and select it, and again select the marquee tool and create a rectangle. Now select the type tool and write text over here. Then go to layers and bring the text below previous duplicated layer and create a clipping mask over here. So this is how you can create a text portrait effect easily. I hope you have enjoyed quick tutorial episode number 4. Please do like, comment and also subscribe to channel and hit the bell icon to get notified about the new content. Bye bye for now. I will meet you in the next video.